This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ka school ba Assam downtown kawai ni ki school ba Shimet bapau nam jong ka than chatai lammi ngi jong kari India ha ka khat wai tari ujalleo arja arpusan kala Pynurlong ke jing lang jong ka jing ekran hapadeng ki karkhana bat ki real start kapla ai kerteng from campus to corporate ha hotel Marriott Shillong kini ke jing lang ka dei kapla ai lat ya borok ki Samla puli khamtam gitu ki bana ka BTech BBA MBA BCA but MCA dah kebatmu ban pendap ke jing pair ha padang ke jing nang jing start ha ka pule puthi but ke jing khmilan ti jong ka karkhana ha kani ke jing lang ya kran lawan ra lang ye ki company bapau nam ha ka parthai kum ka LNT Edutech ka VFS Global Academy ka IBM but ka SAP kentop ka Delhivery ki bal ai ki jing sampang ki bakor dor saphang ki technology ki badang mi ki jing kerman ha ka kam ha ka parthai but ki jing penwan dor ha ka kam Hakane kesengi ke bala wan ban shimbenta lang de Samla puli na ka Assam downtown bat kiwei ki jaka puli uba Metbah Lyngdoh ubalong chairman jong state planning board ulalong kumu kongsan bar uba bante lang J Kharshandi director DSEL kumu sembot kongsan haba ajing kran uba Metbah ulaong baga campus syaka corporate yaki khana kan longkum gajing penyat keban ai gajing gela gajing sampang ki Buit bat ki jing ai jing mut ki bala ban trekam ban yarap na ka banta ban Pynurlong ya ki thong jong ki Samla ha ka kam
Campus to corporate will serve you as your guide through this transformational phase, offering insights, strategies, and practical advice to help you navigate the complexities of the professional landscape and achieve your career goals. One cannot term it that is going to be a very simple life, but it's going to be a very complex. So it goes beyond developing employability skills. It also addresses important aspects of career growth and advancement. Through real-world examples, my dear students, there are case studies and expert advice. You will learn how to build a strong personal brand. You will also learn how to build a strong network effectively and seize opportunity for professional development and advancement. From communication and teamwork to problem solving and adaptability, I hope that this very important interaction session will also lead you to the key skills needed to succeed in the corporate world.
Habatin, Metbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi the office jong Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya